This is Mad Scientists back in the game conducting our control trial test 3. And we just measured the mass of the egg, and the mass of the egg is 56.3 grams before the crash. And now we're going to perform the trial, or the test. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, as the force was measured, it was negative 11.474 Newton, and the elapsed time was 0.90 seconds. And now we're going to examine the egg. And we can see in the graph it was a sudden force, so there's a great impact on the egg. It's leaking right now. So first we're going to look at the top of the egg, and there is a great crack, and that's where it's leaking from. And so we can see the egg received lots amount of force on front of the egg. So now we're going to measure the mass of the egg after the crash. And as I start measuring, and we can see that the mass of the egg after the crash is 56.1 grams and decreased by 2 milligrams. And we can see that since it is leaking. So now I will go on to explaining how we calculated the velocity and acceleration for this trial. So as we did, velocity is equal to displacement over elapsed time, displacement being 18 inches, and the elapsed time in this case being 0.9 seconds, is equal to 20 centimeters per second. The acceleration is equal to the velocity divided by the time of acceleration, the velocity being 20 centimeters per second divided by 0.9, or the time of acceleration, which gave us the acceleration, which was 22.2 centimeters per second. So this concludes the test 3 for our control trial. This is the Mad Scientist. Thank you very much.